my papaya mango smoothie. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a papaya mango smoothie. So I have here some papaya and mangoes cut up, and I have my ensure. I have some pieces of ice. The smoothie is nice when it's cool, and I have some water, and I have my blender. So I'm gonna get started. So first I'm gonna add the fruits, the papaya and the mango. Then I'm going to add my ensure. I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons of ensure. I'm gonna add my ice next. And because the ensure is powder, I'm gonna add half glass of water. Okay guys, and then I'm gonna cover this and I'm going to blend. And there you have it guys, all done. My papaya mango smoothie. So I'm just gonna glass this now. The color looking so soft and nice. So I'm gonna glass this guys. So there I have it guys, my papaya mango smoothie. Go ahead and try it. Okay guys, this is the color you get guys when you blend up papaya and mango. Look at it. Look at the color that I put in the blender, and look what I get back. It's beautiful blended color. Okay guys, go ahead and try it. Guys, let me tell you a little bit more about the ensure, the powder ensure. I think it lasts longer than the bottle one, the small bottle ones. So you can make several smoothie from it. So if you like it, my recipe, you can go ahead and purchase the powder ensure and use in your smoothie. Okay guys, so guys, remember to like my videos, subscribe to my channel, remember to share with your families. Okay guys, let me taste this for you. Oh, so delicious. Yes guys, go ahead and try this one. This is it, papaya mango smoothie. Go ahead guys, leave me a comment, tell me what you think about it. Go ahead and try this recipe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.